Hi, I'm Akriti Kochar, beauty and makeup expert for Oriflame India. It's 9 o'clock already and I have an important meeting at Oriflame office and I have to rush for it. I think all I need today is just a good base and I'm going to teach you how. I have freshly washed my face. Cleansing, toning, moisturizing is the most important thing. Post that, I'm just going to use a little bit of primer. Like you see, I'm just using it with my fingertips. This will ensure that all day long my base is intact and I don't have to keep retouching it, don't have to keep changing it. I apply it in spots so that I don't end up putting too much. Blending it just right. This is it. So this is like an extra dose of hydration that my skin needed. The next step is the concealer. Today I'm using The One range by Oriflame, which is newly launched and I'm in love with the product. It has a complete range of foundation, concealer and pressed powder for a perfect base. I'm going to show you how you do that. Just using a drop of Illuskin concealer. I'm using a medium tone for myself. I think it goes well with most of the Indian skin tones. This one has a beautiful texture to it. It doesn't get cakey, it doesn't get too heavy. It blends in beautifully with your skin. Also, it comes with buildable coverage, which simply means that you can put more quantity in case if you want more coverage. This is daytime. I think I just need a little. Dabbing onto the spots on my face which need to be covered. Maybe just a little bit on the eyelid. If you see, I'm using a small flat brush to apply this, and how quickly and easily this is getting absorbed into my skin. I think the concealing bit is done. Next, I'm going to move on to the foundation. I'm using the foundation from the same range, Illuskin foundation, and the shade that I'm using is Natural Beige. Also, it's one shade that will go well with most of the Indian skin tones. Start with the center. This is a trick I'm telling you, all of us makeup artists use it to make your face look slimmer and longer at the same time. After you're done with the center, just spread a little bit of foundation and in outward strokes. I think I've achieved what I want for a daytime. I'm not going to wear an SPF at all because this foundation comes with an SPF, so it saves more time for me. Now, setting the base is the most important thing, because if you don't set it, it will never look natural. I'm using the pressed powder from the same range. It comes with a puff. You just have to dab onto it. Never move it too much, just press it against your skin. I'm a fan of pressed powders because it's so easy to carry. I can put it in my bag, I can touch up it while driving, in between meetings if I have a long day. It takes away all the stress of doing your makeup again and again. Mattify your skin completely, make sure there's no shine left. I think my base looks perfect, exactly how I imagined it to be. I'm going to rush into my meeting now and I'm so confident because I know it that this is going to look just perfect during the day as well as during the night, because The One range comes with halo light technology. That simply means that it doesn't matter what lighting you go to, your base is going to look natural in all the lightings. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you guys are having a good time in fulfilling your dreams with Oriflame. I shall see you soon. Bye guys.
Are you the one?